are new here, my name is Jessica and I can't comb hair, but I enjoy playing in hair and in makeup. And one of the human hair companies that allows me to do that because they are affordable is Klaiyi Hair. I just filmed another wig by them and I really like that one. I know I'm gonna like this one. If you're an oldie but goodie, you know that Klaiyi isn't a new company to us. I've purchased tons of hair from them in the past and I've really enjoyed it. It's just been a minute, so I said, why not? So all I've done was take this out of its shipping packaging because I do everything on camera with y'all, okay? So the wig does come with this bowling bag storage case that I enjoy. I use it for everything besides storing a wig, but I do enjoy these bags. And then the wig itself comes in a box with their branding and their socials on it. And I do prefer this type of box because they are great for storage. Now inside the box, don't expect too much. You just probably gonna have the wig. Yeah. You're gonna have the wig and two things. You'll have some HD wig caps and an edge band with their branding on it. And then we have the wig. So the last wig that I got from them, it was a finger coily wig, and it was a beautiful color T128. Hopefully I put some footage there, or that review has probably already gone up. This one is a complete opposite from it. Is not straight curly. This one is a straight. It's a Yaki straight. It is 24 inches long, but it is a 7x5 bye-bye knots wig, and I love these 7x5 bye-bye knots because they're beginner friendly and affordable. Let's take it out this plastic so we can look at it up close. They also included some additional bye-bye knots tabs for you to use on your wig. I use these on all of my wigs. It does not matter if it is this particular wig or not. All of them I use them on. This wig, I can tell you off the rip, I already love it because of the texture. Y'all know I love me a good Yaki texture because it is so natural looking. And to be able to get that on a 7x5 makes it even more. I know I'm going to love it. So this is that upgraded cap construction that Klaiyi did around last year or so. So you get that 7x5 parting space, which is dope because you can park this left, right, middle, half up, half down, and not feel overwhelmed like you do with a 13x4 or 13x6. But the upgrades that they have done, they have now made the glueless band thin, which I love. They've added these silicone bands here at the crown and around the back perimeter of the wig to make it lay flat. Love that. We have that wide extended comb. Love that. But my most favorite part of this upgrade is the drawstring. And I love the drawstring because it makes this wig fit on my head so comfortably and adjust to my head so it's not too loose or too tight. So I love the drawstring. Y'all, this won't take any time. I'm going to put this on my head. I'll flat iron it to knock out these bumps from like transporting it. I'll give you a 360 and I'll come back with my final thoughts. Be right back. All right, y'all, I'm back with my final thoughts on this wig, and I know my background looks different, my makeup looks different, my shirt is different. It's because it's been about 2 weeks since I first unboxed this wig, and I'm trying to see how I feel about doing that. Like, instead of just filming a wig and telling you, hey, this is great out the box, having it for a little while to tell you how it wears, how I feel about it, if I'm still excited pulling it out the box as I was when I first did it. So that's why everything looks different. In the comments, tell me if you prefer this format or just the unboxing. I prefer this format because I feel like I can give you a more accurate idea of how I feel about the wig, because everything is great when it's shiny, brand new, right? And after having it for a while, to put it on my head to see how I feel, it will be a more realistic, I guess that's the best way to say, review on it. But I gotta tell y'all, Klaiyi killed it with this one, y'all. They did. I was more excited this time putting this wig on, like actually applying it to my head, getting ready to wear it out. I was more of, what's the word I'm looking for? I love this wig more now than I did when I first unboxed it, and I loved it. It was a 10 out of 10 when I unboxed it, but now, a 20 out of 10. Definitely can recommend this one. And the reason why, it's affordable, super beginner friendly, but what I think I can speak to more now is the quality. Like, in my head, I know that Klaiyi makes great hair, but me saying it to you just because I'm saying, oh, it's great quality, I mean, right? Especially if I'm just pulling out the box. I'm starting to think, can I really speak to that? And I can now. After having this wig and being able to pull it out 2 weeks later, put it on, move around it, and see how I feel about it, y'all, I can speak for the quality. 10 out of 10, top notch, super beginner friendly. I was able to pull out the box as a beginner and put it back on my head, and I think that it looks pretty good for, you know, my level of skill that I have. So this one is definitely a 10 out of 10. I got this one, I want to say this one was a 24 inch. Is this a 24 inch I got, y'all? I think this one was, I'm looking for the bag, I done lost it. I think this was 24 inches, and it is the full 24 inches. I'm 5'5", here's my belly button, and here's where it hits on me. The texture on this Yaki straight is just so pretty. Yeah, y'all, this one is definitely a win. And like I said, I like doing the updated version like this, but y'all tell me in the comments if y'all want to see that, okay? 10 out of 10. I put all the details about this wig down in the description box, because this is one that this is one I know you will absolutely love once you get it home, y'all. Winner. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye.